So today is a very exciting day. We are launching a feature that we've been working on for the past 6 months, and our team is pretty stoked to get it out. Let's go check out how we launch features here at Shortwave.
Okay, we got a big launch coming up today. I can't do this over Gather, but I can do this here. You love it. Sure.
Our engineering team has actually already shipped our splits feature, so all that's left to do today is for me and Andrew to actually handle our launch day checklist. Our launch day checklists are for things like our newsletter, social media posts, blog, and then any other user outreach that we want to do. Let's run through and see what we have left to do. We use Asana for project management, and for launch days, we have a parent task with a bunch of subtasks for what needs to get done that day. We use ConvertKit to send out our monthly product updates to our users. We use Figma to design our in-app announcements. And we use Vercel to preview our marketing website for when we're publishing content like blogs and changelogs to make sure everything displays properly. Now that we've got everything published, the last thing to do is post our social comms. And with that, we've launched. So, in honor of launching our splits feature today, Andrew, what is your favorite thing about splits?
So I have like 200 threads going on with customers right now about splits because I mail merged a whole bunch of our top users last week to try to get their feedback as we were getting close to launch. And those are all like neatly in their own tab, and so I can kind of focus on customers for a bit and then jump back into like the nitty gritty of launch execution. That's been like really freeing.
So we've sent out our launch comms, very exciting, and we're getting a ton of user love. Let me read you a few tweets. Splits is something I'd gotten used to, and it's great to see it launch on Shortwave. I love Shortwave's inbox splits. This is game-changing. Give them a try if you're looking to make email work for you without breaking bank. And that's a wrap on our splits launch. If you haven't already, go check out Shortwave and our new splits to email like never before.